Hey, I'm William with Man and Dolly, and today I'm going to show you how to use this amazing tool, the ratchet strap. In a move, there are many different ways you can utilize this tool. For example, if you have a load to tie down in your moving truck. I'm going to show you one amazing way, and that's tying a piece of furniture down to your dolly. So if you're going up and down stairs and you don't want that piece to fall off, this is a beautiful way. You want to make sure you get the strap hooked as high as possible on the dolly and the piece of furniture so it pulls it back. In this case, I'm going to go ahead, hook here, and then I'm going to take it around the piece of furniture, and then from there you just go ahead and pull it around. And you want to get your hand and hold it about here. Then you go ahead and pull it around. And you want to make sure that you're going to go in the back here. Once you get in the middle, you can tuck it out the top. You can do the bottom as well if you need to. And then once you get that, then you go ahead and you want to pull it as tight as possible before you start cranking. And then from there, you just go ahead and slowly crank it in. And you don't want to tighten it too much, especially because this is a wood dresser. You don't want it to break the wood. And then once you get that done, you just take the excess strap around and then you tuck it in. Then you're good to go.